Today is December the 19th, 2018. This is a 1987 Jeep Wagoneer that we just restored for one of our customers from Maryland. It got a brand new paint job, got a brand new wood grain kit. As you can see, this vehicle is in extremely good shape. The gentleman bought this one brand new. Beautiful gold color. We've got a lot of snow on the ground, which you can see right now. He's coming to pick it up today. As you can see, the back window works on it. We had to repair it. We put a brand new headliner in it. The interior in this car was in extremely good shape. As you can see, the window goes back up just perfect. We also put new bars on the roof rack. The others were bad. As you can see, the inside of this car is in absolutely brand new shape. We fixed the heating and cooling system on this thing, so it heats the way it's supposed to and it cools the way it's supposed to. And we also did a lot of work under the hood. We put brand new insulation under the hood. Put a new air compressor on it. New water pump. Thermostat. Rebuilt the carburetor on it. Fuel filters. Put new hoses where they were needed. Took the radiator out and had it flushed and cleaned. And you can see it's as clean under the hood as it is on the outside. You can hear it runs good. We polished the bumpers, the grill, all the chrome work on it. I'll try to get over here on this side because as you can see, the snow's still pretty deep here. We got 18.5 inches. The body was in extremely good shape. We put a couple of center caps on it. But overall, this car is absolutely brand new for a 1987 with 171,000 miles on it. We appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.